About 2 weeks ago, I issued an invitation for the creators out there to do a Moonlight Clean with me. And today is the time for those videos to drop. And in my Moonlight Clean with me, I cleaned my family room. So if you want to see me take care of that, keep watching. If you're new to my channel, I'm Denise Jordan, and I teach women to make wise home health and beauty decisions. So if you want to learn more about running a household, start now by hitting that subscribe button and tap that little bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Okay, 2 weeks ago, when I issued my invitation, there were a lot of people that said they were excited about doing an after dark clean with me. And one of the rooms that I have been avoiding cleaning is my family room. And the reason for that is because my husband's usually in there, and he might be working in there, he might have left things out, and it was just really usually a hot mess. And so I avoided it at all costs. So I decided for my Moonlight Clean with me, I was going to tackle that problem. The other thing I wanted to do was to get some footage of a moonlit sky. So let me show you that. So it's about 9:30 and this is what my sky is looking like. The sun is just about completely down and I can't find the moon, so this is the best that I'm going to do. But isn't this a beautiful sky? So I thought it would be perfect for a Moonlight Clean with me.
It's so beautiful.
So me and my little diva are trying to capture as much of the night sky as we can at this point. Well, you got the opportunity to see me and my little diva trying to capture the moon. And as you saw, we were unable to do that, but I did get some cleaning done. So now let's get to cleaning.
Are you alright?
Yeah, like that.
You alright?
Oh yeah, I'm not cleaning because I'm outside. I plan to do this. This is my after dark clean with me. I clean when I'm trying to work off a mat. So when he came in and saw me cleaning, he was like, "What?" So I had to reassure him that I was fine. Well, as you see, the hubby came in, and then of course he turned the TV on, so I had to put on some music to cover that noise. I did get the family room all cleaned up, but I didn't get a chance to take care of those bookshelves, so I worked on those the next day. Thank you so much for joining me for this Moonlight Clean with me. I was really pleased to be able to show you me cleaning the family room. That's not a room that I often take you into, so I'm glad that I was able to bring you along this time. And I wasn't the only one who did a Moonlight Clean with me. So many creators jumped in on this challenge. I will link the playlist below so that you can get the cleaning motivation you need to get your clean on. And if you enjoyed this video, I've got a couple other cleaning videos that you just might enjoy. I'll put an iCard above and I will link them below. So my question for you is, what part of this whole process did you enjoy the most? Tell me in the comment section below. And just so you know, I've raised 3 children. I've managed a home for more than 45 years, and I am a nurse by profession. So if you want to learn more about running a household, cooking and cleaning and laundry and health and beauty, subscribe. I would love to have you as a member of the TNT community. In the meantime, I will see you in the next video.